Today we're comparing two leading SEO tools, Surfer SEO and Yoast. Surfer SEO is renowned for its advanced content optimization features, while Yoast specializes in WordPress SEO solutions. Let's explore their features, user experience, pricing structure, pros and cons, and possible alternative options. Let's take a brief look at these programs' leading features. Surfer SEO features include content optimization. Surfer SEO offers advanced content optimization tools, including keyword analysis, content audits, and optimization recommendations to enhance your website's search engine visibility. SERP analysis. With Surfer SEO's SERP analysis feature, you can analyze search engine results pages to identify ranking opportunities and optimize your content strategy accordingly. On-page SEO suggestions. Surfer SEO provides real-time on-page SEO suggestions, helping you optimize your content for relevant keywords and improve its chances of ranking higher in search results. Content editor. Surfer SEO's content editor enables you to create and optimize content directly within the platform, streamlining your workflow and ensuring SEO best practices are implemented. Yoast features include WordPress integration. Yoast seamlessly integrates with WordPress, offering a range of SEO solutions tailored specifically for WordPress websites, including XML sitemap generation, breadcrumb navigation, and social media integration. Content analysis. Yoast's content analysis feature provides real-time feedback on your content's SEO performance, highlighting areas for improvement such as keyword density, readability, and meta tags. Readability analysis. Yoast evaluates the readability of your content, providing insights and suggestions to enhance readability and user engagement. SEO insights. Yoast offers valuable SEO insights and recommendations, empowering you to optimize your content for search engines and improve your website's visibility. In terms of pricing, Surfer SEO offers subscription-based plans starting from $59 per month. That is for the basic plan, and its business plan is priced at $199 per month. On the other hand, Yoast offers a free version with basic features, while its premium plugin costs $89 per year for a single site license. Surfer SEO provides a comprehensive suite of content optimization tools with a user-friendly interface, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced SEO professionals. Yoast, with its seamless integration into WordPress and intuitive interface, caters specifically to WordPress users, offering tailored SEO solutions. Summarizing the pros and cons, Surfer SEO excels in content optimization and SERP analysis, but it may lack the integration capabilities of Yoast specifically with WordPress. Yoast, on the other hand, offers seamless integration with WordPress, but it may have limited features compared to Surfer SEO. Alternatives to Surfer SEO and Yoast include SEMrush, Moz, and Ahrefs. SEMrush provides a comprehensive suite of SEO tools, while Moz specializes in inbound marketing and link building. Ahrefs offers robust backlink analysis and competitive research capabilities. Ultimately, the choice between Surfer SEO and Yoast depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you prioritize content optimization and SERP analysis, Surfer SEO may be the better option. However, if you use WordPress and seek seamless integration with your website, Yoast could be the ideal choice. Click the links in the description to learn more and sign up for the tool that best fits your requirements. Don't forget to subscribe to EasyInternet for more insightful comparisons and tips. Thank you for watching.